Hey guys, what's up? Roman here from Tech Guides, and today I briefly want to show you how to install the WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux on your Windows 10 machine. Now, for certain tasks, being able to use Linux commands on Windows is super convenient. For instance, if you want to find a string in certain files, then Linux has the tool. You quickly want to rename a bunch of files with a certain pattern, easy as cake. Or just generally, if you want to have the convenience of using Linux commands on Windows, then this video is for you. So installing WSL2 or the new Windows Subsystem for Linux is now actually super easy. However, you'll have to be on a recent version of Windows, so to check if you're eligible, click on Start, Settings, System, About, and make sure that you are on version 20 or 21 of Windows 10. If this is the case, simply click on Start menu, type CMD, right-click, Run as Administrator, and enter WSL-install. This will then go ahead to download and install Ubuntu on your system. To use it, simply reboot your computer, enter a new Unix username, as well as a password. And that's it, you are now successfully running Ubuntu. Now, if you want a little bit nicer looking terminal, you can go to the Microsoft Store, search for Terminal, and install the new Windows Terminal. Once open, you probably want to head over to the settings and change the default profile from Windows PowerShell to Ubuntu. Click on Save, restart your Windows Terminal, and that's it, you're now on your new and shiny Ubuntu system on top of Windows 10. And that already wraps it up for today's video. Now, I really hope you enjoyed these kind of shorter and much more compressed type of videos, because that's probably what I'm going to be producing in the future, because I simply do not have the time to produce these long 15 to 20 minute high quality production type of videos, because I'm super busy at work. So I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave me a like or tell me so in the comments down below. And if you're curious about how to use Linux to host your own applications, then check out my full Linux tutorial playlist, where I go through all of the topics on installing Linux, setting up your own applications and exposing them to the internet, the whole shebang. Definitely check out that playlist. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.